Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss a question on hypergeometric distribution. So let's see this question on hypergeometric distribution. It says for a lot of 10 items, 4 of which are defective, find the probability of selecting 3 or more defective item if 4 items are selected at random. So there is a lot of 10 items, so we can say n is equal to 10 here, 4 of which are defective, so m is equal to 4 here. Find the probability of selecting 3 or more defective items, so x, that was small x, should be greater than equal to 3 and the number of items selected is n, which is 4 in this case, right? That means we need to find the probability that x is selecting 3 or more defective item. So what are the maximum number of defective item we can have? The number of defective item we can have is maximum 4, and what is the minimum they want? That is 3. So x should be greater than equal to 3, which is probability of x is equal to 3 plus probability of x is equal to 4. We cannot have more than 4 defective items, right? So in that case, this value is going to be 4c3, 6c1, 10c4 plus 4 of 4 defective, so 4c4 into 6c0 divided by 10c4. This 10c4 is 210. 4c3, 4 ncn minus 1 is n, so 4c3 is 4. 6c1, nc1 is also n, so 6c1 is 6, so 4 into 6, that is 24, and 4c4, nc4, ncn is 1 and nc0 is also 1, so 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So this is 0.119. If for your reference, nc0 is 1, ncn is 1, ncn minus 1 is n, nc1 is also n. Now the second part says 5 items are selected. At random. So one thing which is changing here is small n. Small n becomes 5. We are actually choosing 5 items, not 4 items anymore. And the remaining conditions are same. That is, x is still greater than equal to 3, capital N is still 10, m is still 4. So obviously, even if we are selecting 5 items, we cannot pick more than 4 defective items because the number of defective item is less than number of items we are choosing, right? So in this case, x cannot be 3, 4 and 5, right? That is the difference here. Probability of x greater than 3 will still be probability of x equal to 3 and probability of x equal to 4. We cannot have 5 defective items because the total number of defective items is still 4, right? So this becomes, but the number of total items we are selecting is 5, so it is 4c 3 6C. Now 3 items are selected. Out of 5, 2 remains. So 2 items are selected from 6 items. Total items to be selected is 10C 5 plus all 4 defective items 4C 4 into 6C 1. Out of 5, 4 are defective, so 1 is non-defective, and total item selected is 10C 5. Right, so this is overall 66 by 252, which is equal to 0.2619. This will be the answer.